Casement window installation in Pompano Beach, Florida, is a service that offers a variety of options to enhance your home's aesthetic and functionality. Whether you are looking for energy-efficient casement windows or custom casement windows, Pompano Beach Services provide solutions tailored to your needs. With a focus on quality and durability, these services ensure that your casement window installation is seamless and efficient. Energy-efficient casement windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Pompano Beach, Florida, looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Pompano Beach energy-efficient windows not only contribute to energy savings, but also enhance the overall value of your home. Casement window replacement in Pompano Beach is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Whether you need to fix casement window locks, hinges, or screens, professional replacement services in Pompano Beach ensure that your windows operate smoothly and securely. Regular maintenance can prevent costly replacements and extend the lifespan of your windows. Custom casement windows Pompano Beach offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their window design. With a range of casement window styles, sizes, and glass options available, you can create a unique look that complements your home's architecture. Custom windows. Pompano Beach Services provide expert guidance to help you select the perfect design for your space. Casement window replacement in Pompano Beach, Florida, is a practical solution for outdated or damaged windows. Whether you choose vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, or wood casement windows, Pompano Beach window replacement services offer a variety of materials to suit your preferences. Replacing your windows can improve energy efficiency and enhance curb appeal. Vinyl casement windows in Pompano Beach are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them ideal for the Florida climate. Vinyl windows Pompano Beach Services offer a range of styles and colors to match your home's exterior. Aluminum casement windows in Pompano Beach are known for their strength and modern appearance. These windows are lightweight yet sturdy, providing a sleek look that complements contemporary home designs. Aluminum windows. Pompano Beach Services ensure that your windows are installed with precision and care. Wood casement windows in Pompano Beach offer a classic and timeless appeal. These windows provide natural insulation and can be customized with various finishes to match your home's interior. Wood windows. Pompano Beach Services offer expert craftsmanship to ensure that your windows are both beautiful and functional. Double-glazed casement windows Pompano Beach provide enhanced insulation and noise reduction. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a space in between, creating a barrier that minimizes heat transfer and sound. Double-glazed windows. Pompano Beach Services offer installation options that improve comfort and energy efficiency.